Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best vlogging drones available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Autel Robotics Evo Drone. Evo's powerful camera is the choice pick for award-winning cinematographers and photographers. Boasting 60 frames per second for buttery smooth 4K resolution footable, it records faster, smoother, and cleaner than any other compact, foldable drone. The world's best compact and foldable drone, you can take your Evo with you anywhere. You are ensured a safe and crash-free flight with our dual GPS/GLONASS satellite positioning and advanced computer vision systems. You can even access live HD footage while flying your Evo via the free Autel Explorer app. Always fly with confidence with an intuitive 3.3-inch OLED display controller remote. Its one-touch action buttons can control the drone up to 4.3 miles away. Safety in the sky. Evo is equipped with dual GPS and GLONASS systems, allowing for a hands-free hover. Built-in fail-safe features like return to home call the aircraft back to its home point when the battery is low or the remote control signal is interrupted. Number 4. DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Powerful, yet safe. The Mavic 2 was designed to optimize propulsion, lower power consumption, and reduce noise. These subtle yet powerful improvements, along with an improved flight autonomy system, offer a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion and safety. Equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera with a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 camera drone lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. Hasselblad L1D20C camera. The L1D20C possesses Hasselblad's Hasselblad Natural Color Solution technology, helping users to capture 20MP aerial shots in stunning detail. The brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor has an active sensing area 4 times more effective than the original Mavic Pro. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone. Powerful, yet safe. The Mavic 2 was designed to optimize propulsion, lower power consumption, and reduce noise. These subtle yet powerful improvements, along with an improved flight autonomy system, offer a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion and safety. 24 to 48mm optical zoom camera. Powered by a 1/2.3-inch 12MP sensor with up to 4x zoom, including a 2x optical zoom, 24 to 48mm, the Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspectives. Capture everything from wide-angle to mid-range shots for even more creative options. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 905 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos, dolly zoom. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Drone. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 offers intelligent flight modes such as Tap Fly, Active Track, Draw Mode, Gesture Mode, and more. Draw lets you control the flight path with a fixed altitude simply by creating a route on the screen. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 camera drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. The standard controller features a smartphone holder. You will need to install the DJI Go 4 app on your phone to fly your drone. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is a beast when it comes to flight performance. It has a maximum flight speed of 72 km per hour and an 8 km transmission range with 1080p live streaming and automatic frequency switching thanks to OcuSync 2.0. Incredible gimbal camera. The onboard camera features a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor and a mechanical shutter, eliminating rolling shutter distortion. An advanced sensor and impressive processing capture every detail and provide the image data needed for advanced post-production. Powerful flight performance. Several flight modes make flying and creating with the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 a streamlined and convenient experience. Intuitive controls and a maximum speed of 45 miles per hour simplify complex shots. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. Up your game. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad Bayer image sensor. Improved flight. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. Fly longer and safer. Stay in the air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life of up to 34 minutes and pull off epic, fast-paced shots with a max flight speed of 42.3 miles per hour in sport mode. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.